Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is October the 2nd, Monday morning. Looking at a new month, a new quarter, and starting out kind of ugly. You can see that really ugly bar we had there on Friday. Could not even get up and touch our 10 period moving average there, and a little bit of a gap down today. So we'll have to see what happens. But let's take a look around because there are some stocks sitting up there. First on the list is our trade of the week, actually, Mobileye. I was working with Steve to set this one. Really nice, strong pattern there, showing relative strength in a very weak market. Looking for a break above that 2-day high there in Mobileye. Another one is China EV stock XPEV. Okay, it is kind of didn't draw it here, but you can kind of see the wedge. It's kind of forming there on the daily. Look for a break above possibly that, let's call it a 2-week high there. Just set you an alert there and see what happens. VST, this has been on the list for a while, and I still think you have to keep an eye on it. Once again, looking for that range breakout right around 34. And let's take a look at one other one here, ZS. This would be Scalar. And once again, showing relative strength. A couple of nice green days in a pretty much down market and gapping up today right around this level. Watching the level around 160, see if you can clear that. But Scalar is definitely showing some relative strength. There's some few other ones out there that I'm looking at. If you have trade ideas, you can see a running list of this and a race of it. But those are some ones I think you might want to keep an eye on. But keep in mind, ugly market. Don't feel like you have to do anything. Kind of a risk-off market. Have a great one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.